It is a privilege to speak with you today on the subject of nonlinear regression using Minitab, a powerful tool for advanced statistical analysis. Nonlinear regression is a form of regression analysis in which the relationship between the independent variables and the dependent variable is modeled as a nonlinear function. Unlike linear regression, which assumes a straight-line relationship, nonlinear regression allows for more complex, curved relationships that better capture the underlying patterns in the data. This flexibility makes it especially useful in fields where data behavior cannot be accurately described by a simple linear model. The model can take various forms, such as exponential, logarithmic, or polynomial functions. Linear regression assumes a straight-line relationship between the independent and dependent variables. Nonlinear regression is a type of regression analysis used when the relationship between the independent variables and the dependent variable cannot be accurately described by a straight line. Linear regression uses a simple equation like y equals mx plus b, where the slope and intercept are easy to interpret. Nonlinear regression uses more complex equations such as exponential, logarithmic, or polynomial forms. In terms of interpretability, linear regression is highly interpretable. On the other hand, the parameters in nonlinear regression may not have straightforward interpretations, especially in complex models. Linear regression requires strict assumptions like normality, constant variance, and random and independent of residuals. Nonlinear regression is more flexible with assumptions. It can handle data that violates linearity, but still requires careful checking of residuals and model fit. The computational complexity for linear regression is low. It's solved using simple matrix operations, very fast and efficient. However, nonlinear regression requires iterative algorithms, like Gauss-Newton or Liebenberg-Marquardt, which are computationally intensive. The risk of overfitting for linear regression is lower due to its simplicity. However, nonlinear regression has higher risk of overfitting, especially with complex models or small datasets. Let's take an example of application for nonlinear regression. If a bacteria population doubles every hour, you might model its growth with an exponential function to predict its size at future times. This nonlinear relationship captures the rapid increase in population size, which wouldn't be adequately described by a linear model. Next, I will explain how to analyze nonlinear regression using Minitab software. Many patients get concerned when a test involves injection of a radioactive material. For example, for scanning of bones, a few drops of technetium-99m isotope is used. Half of the technetium-99m would be gone in about 4 hours. Below is given the relative intensity of radiation as a function of time. Choose stat, regression, nonlinear regression. In response, enter radiation. In expectation function, use catalog. Under function, select exponential. Select time, hours, as actual predictor. Click parameters. In required starting values, enter these values: theta 1 to 0.99983, theta 2 to minus 0.11508. Select locked for theta 1. This image shows a fitted line plot that represents an exponential decay model. The plot visualizes the relationship between the radiation, y-axis, and time, hours, x-axis. This exponential decay model suggests that the radiation level decreases over time according to an exponential function. The y-axis represents the radiation level, which starts at around 1.0 and decreases over time. The x-axis represents the time in hours. The blue data points show the actual measured radiation levels at different time points. The red line is the fitted exponential decay curve, which closely matches the data points. In nonlinear regression, the fit represents the predicted value of the response variable for a given input, such as time, hours. The standard error of the fit, SE fit, quantifies the uncertainty in this prediction. The 95% confidence interval, C, provides a range in which we are 95% confident the true mean response lies, while the 95% prediction interval, pi, gives a wider range that is expected to contain a single future observation with 95% confidence. Nonlinear regression is a statistical technique used to model the relationship between a dependent variable and one or more independent variables when that relationship is not linear. In other words, it is applied when the data cannot be accurately represented by a straight line. Instead, nonlinear regression uses mathematical functions, such as exponential, logarithmic, power, or polynomial equations, to capture more complex patterns in the data.